In this last module, we talked about the process of building an application for production. We first talked about tests and how we should automate the run. We also saw the excellent coverage report that comes out of the box with Jest. We looked at how to split vendor files that do not change frequently into their own bundled file. We used Webpack to minify bundled files. And then we talked about Node.js in production, how to use Babel differently for Node, and the value that PM2 brings to the table. I like to be in control configuration-wise when working with a React project. I'm not a fan of starter templates or tools that isolate you from the configurations. Those are good for beginners and for prototyping something quick. However, even when you do your own configurations, duplicating that per project gets old fast. This is why I'm experimenting with this new tool, which I called Reactful. I've put most of the configurations that we went over in this course in this tool. The tool has two main purposes. First, create a new full-stack React project that is server-side ready with full customizable configurations, so what you get there is ejected by default. And second, and more important really, it gives you command to assist you with the React project workflow. Now, this is still a work in progress, but the tool already supports things like creating different types of React components and even working with Redux. Give it a try and let me know what you think. If you want to test something quick about React, I wrote a web playground for React, and this one does not need any configurations. It'll always have the latest React and React DOM included, among few other things like Axios and Immutable.js. It's also a simple JavaScript REPL. Check it out at jscomplete.com/REPL. If you're planning to use React with REST APIs, you should definitely take a look at GraphQL because I think it's a much better solution to working with data. One other course that I recommend after this one is the Advanced Node.js at Pluralsight. You've seen how much of Node.js we had to deal with in this course. A solid understanding of the core Node.js runtime itself will make your full-stack JavaScript experience much better. Thanks for taking this course. I hope you've enjoyed it and it was a good educational experience for you. I hope you now feel a lot more comfortable about React.js and full-stack JavaScript in general. Don't forget that you can always ask me questions about any of my Pluralsight courses using the JS Complete Slack channel. Come say hi if you don't have any questions, or if you have any kind of feedback about this course, good or bad. Come chat with me and tell me what could I have done to make this course better for you, and what should my next course be about. I actively blog on Medium about React.js, Node.js, and many other topics. Keep an eye on my feed for more practical advice and tips about React.js. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next course.